Hi, this is Chantel from WTI. My husband wanted to replace his headlights in a 64 Comet, so he went with these amber LED lights by MGLLIGHT, and we love how they look. The turn signals and halo rings are a beautiful amber, and the high beams and low beams are 6000K pure white. So they are bright, but not too bright, giving amazing driving visibility at night. They were very easy to install and look awesome even during the day. They have such a unique design and are a huge upgrade to the look of the Comet. My favorite thing about these lights are the amber halo rings. They just look so cool at night. And I think they make the car sound better too. This car gets a lot of attention when we were driving around town, and so many compliments on the headlights. We are really happy with our purchase, but that's just our point of view.